Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. If you're thinking about using ERPNext in 2025, whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, ERPNext promises to manage everything from accounting to inventory and CRM. But is it really worth your time and money? In this honest review, I will break down the pros, cons, pricing and key features to help you decide. So, ERPNext is a free open source ERP system that covers modules like accounting, inventory, HR, CRM, sales, and manufacturing. It's web-based, customizable, and ideal for businesses that want full control without licensing fee. You can self-host it for free without no licensing cost. You can combine multiple tools like CRM, HRMS, and project management in one dashboard. Developers can tweak workflows and forms and script easily. And it has an active community that can give you lots of forums, GitHub updates, and tutorials. Also, it's great for SMEs through which you can scale well with small and medium businesses. Now, let's look at some cons. So there is a steep learning curve. So non-tech savvy users may find it overwhelming at first. Also, it will require technical setup because hosting ERPNext on your own server can be complex. Unless you pay for the official hosting, you are on your own. So there is a limited customer support and it's not ideal for very large enterprise because it lacks depth of Oracle or SAP for massive corporations. Now, you can self-host ERPNext for free, but officially hosting by Frappe Cloud starts at around $50 per month, depending on users and storage. Also, custom support, backup, and scaling options cost extra. Still, it's one of the most affordable ERPs available today. Now, why should you use ERPNext? It's ideal for startups, e-commerce brands, manufacturers, and consultants with some IT support. And it is a great choice if you want to avoid high SaaS fees and maintain full control over your data. But it's not recommended if you need 24/7 customer service or aren't comfortable with technical setups. Now, final verdict, if you're a small to mid-sized business that values flexibility, cost saving and ownership, ERPNext is 100% worth it in 2025. But if you want plug and play simplicity and full-time support, you might want to explore alternatives like Zoho or Odoo. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.